vacation of seats. 102. Disqualifications for membership. 103. Decision or questions as to qualifications of members. 104. Penalty for sitting and voting before making oath or affirmation under Article 99 or when not qualified or when disqualified. Powers 405. Powers, privileges, etc. of the Houses of the Parliament and of the members and committees thereof. 106. Salaries and allowances of members. 107. Provisions as to introduction and passing of bills. 108. Joint sitting of both houses in certain cases. 109. Special procedures in respect of money bills. 110. Definition of money bills. 111. Assent to bills. 112. Annual financial statement. 113. Procedure in Parliament with respect to estimates. 114. Appropriation bills. 15. Supplementary, additional or excess grants. 116. Votes on account, votes of credit and exceptional grants. 117. Special provisions as to financial bills. 118. Rules of procedure. 119. Regulation of law of procedure in Parliament in relation to financial business. 120. Language to be used in Parliament. 121. Restriction on discussion in Parliament. 122. Courts not to inquire into proceedings of Parliament. 123. Power of presidents to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament. 124. Establishment and constitution of Parliament, Supreme Court. 125. Salaries, etc. of judges. 126. Appointment of acting Chief Justice. 127. Appointment of ad hoc judges. 128. Attendance of retired judges at sittings of the Supreme Court. 129. Supreme Court to be court of record. 130. Seat of Supreme Court. 131. Original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. 131A. Repealed. 132. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from high courts in certain cases. 133. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from higher courts in regard to civil matters. 134. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters. 134A. Certificate for appeal to the Supreme Court. 135. Jurisdiction and powers of Federal Court under existing law to be exercisable by the Supreme Court. 136. Special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court. 137. Review of judgments or orders by the Supreme Court. 138. Enlargement of the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. 139. Conferment on the Supreme Court of powers to issue certain writs. 139A. Transfer of certain cases. 140. Ancillary powers of Supreme Court. 141. Law declared by the Supreme Court to be binding on all courts. 142. Enforcement of decrees and orders of Supreme Court and orders as to discovery. 143. Power of President to consult Supreme Court. 144. Civil and judicial authorities to act in aid of the Supreme Court. 144A. Repealed. 145. Rules